Good morning, dear students. So today again I'm here with the explanation of chapter number 2, A Snake Charmer's Story. So before starting the chapter number 2, in last classes we have done regarding chapter number 1, we have done the chapter number 1 explanation, chapter number 1 worksheet. I hope you all have copied in your notebook. I hope you all have gone through the explanation part. So, if you are facing any problem in any question to understand, please put your queries on my personal WhatsApp. And do not worry, when we will be back to the school, we revise all the chapters in detail. So, please cooperate in this regard. So, today we are going to discuss about chapter number 2, A Snake Charmer's Story. In this chapter, we will know about the particular community that is known as Saperas or Kalbelias because they rear the snacks. Why they rear the snacks? Because this is the occupation for them. By rearing the snack, they create the show, they make the show, and they depict this show village to village, and they earn money against it. Clear? So this is the occupation for the Kalbelias people. So, what is given in the chapter? Let us see. I am Aryaнаth. A person Aryaнаth is saying, I can do something special which I am sure none of you can do. So, what is this? Do you know what? I can play the bean. So, to play the bean is a specific quality of the Aryaнаth. So, why he does like that? You must be surprised. Yes, I can make snacks dance by playing the bean. So, this is the occupation for them. By playing the bean, the snack can dance, and by making the dance of the snacks they earn money because they create the show with the snacks, and they migrate village to village to show this art of their community. Clear? I have learned this art from my family members. We people are known as Kalbelia. So this is very important. Those people who rear the snacks for their occupation, they create the show, and they show these art to village to different people. They are known as Kalbelias. My grandfather Roshan Nath ji was famous amongst our people. He could easily catch many poisonous snakes. In the nature, all the snakes are not poisonous. Some of them are very poisonous, and we will discuss the types of the snakes in further in chapter. He tells me many stories about his past. Come listen to his story in his own words. So, what is saying? Let's see. Dadaji remembers. From the time of my grandfather and great grandfather, we have always been saperas. So, saperas are called snake charmers. This is about the particular community who rear the snakes. Snacks have been an important part of our life because by making the dance of the snacks, and they create the show, and they depict this to the community in the society, and they earn money against it. We used to move from village to village carrying our snacks in a bamboo baskets. So bamboo baskets are very comfortable for the snacks when they are carrying the snacks with them. Whenever we stop in a village, a crowd would gather around us. We would then take out our snacks from our baskets. So as they see the crowds, there is a crowd, so they sit there, and they create the show by making the dance of the snacks by playing the beans. Clear? Even after the, if the people are happy with the show, so that's why they can give some money to the saperas, and this money can be collected by the saperas, and this will be very helpful for their livelihood. Clear? To run their life. Even after the show, people would stay on. They knew that in our tin box there were many types of medicines for them. So they also carry the different medicines which are very helpful when, in the case of snake bites, we made these medicines from plants collected from the forest because this community belongs to the forest because they live in the forest. So that's why they know, they are having the good knowledge about the plants and which plant is better for the medicine. So that's why they can prepare the medicines for different disease. I had learned all this from my grandfather. I felt nice that I could help people with my medicines even if doctors and hospitals were far off. So suppose if a person got injured due to the snake bite. So if in the villages there is medical facilities not up to the mark, so these Kalbelia people, they prepare the medicine for the people those who have been attacked by the snakes. So in this case they sell the medicines to the people, they help the people, they help the doctors and the hospitals to provide the medicine in proper time. If doctors and hospitals were far off, in return people would give us money for or food grains. In this way we could manage our life. So this is about their occupation. They rear the snakes, they make the medicines from the snake's poison, and if a person got injured due to the snake bites, so they give the medicine to the hospitals and to the doctors, and in the opposite they take money from them. So by this manner they earn their livelihood. Next, sometimes I was called to places where someone had been bitten by a snake. From the marks of the bite, I tried to find out which snake had bitten the person. I would then give a medicine for that, but I have not always been on time to help. As you know, some snake bites can even cause death of the on the spot, like cobra's bite. But most of the snakes are not poisonous. So it is not possible all the time that we people are responsible to save the lives of the people those who have been attacked by the snake poison. So we try our best to save the lives of the people, but sometimes a condition which has been made by the environment, or we are not able to save the lives. So this is the misfortune of the person who are far off from the places. Sometimes when some farmers would come running for help shouting snakes, I would catch that snake. Suppose in your home, at your home the snakes entered. So in this case, because you are afraid, you are scared so much, so that's why you call the Calvelia saperas to catch the snakes. So in this case they also help, and in against they charge the they charge the money. Clear? So that's why they can earn their livelihood. After all, catching snakes was something I had been doing since my childhood, so they have mastery in this occupation. Oh, those were the good days. We could help a lot of people in many ways. We also entertain them. It was not like today with when everyone watches TV for entertainment. So in the movies and in the serials, in TV you might have seen regarding the Calvelias community and the Saperas. They create the show and they show this type of art to the people, and they charge money against it. When I grew older, my father taught me how to remove their poisonous teeth, fangs. He also taught me how to close the tube of poison in the snake's mouth. So by doing this, the particular snake is not responsible for the biting and to inject the poison to the particular person. So that's why we are there is no need to afraid from such type of snakes, because the poisonous teeth have been removed by the saperas. That's why these snacks are being used for the different shows to depict the art. Think and tell. Some questions are given. Have you ever seen anyone playing a bean where? Yes, many times we have seen in the market, in the society area. So, and many times we have seen in the movies and the serials. Have you ever seen a snack where? Yes, many times we have seen the snacks. You might have seen in the forest, in the particular area there is a lot of garbage. Where were you scared by it? Why? Yes, first time we scared because the snakes are dangerous, because they can inject their poisonous teeth to someone if someone is approaching to them, and sometimes it causes to death. Do you think all snakes are poisonous? No, all snakes are not poisonous. Some snakes like cobra, python, duvoya, these are the snakes which are very poisonous. So we will discuss in chapter ahead. In chapter number 1, you read that snakes do not have ears which you can see. Can the snake hear the bean, or does it dance when the bean moves? What do you think? So when the bean moves, the snake dance. So because they are not having any external ears, so though they are feeling the vibrations by their body structures, because some specific features are given by the nature to them, so they can feel the vibration on the ground, and they can sense the movement of the bean. So that's why they are responsible to make dance. Clear? What can we do? Arenath, your father used to travel with me ever since he was a young child. He learned to play the bean without being taught. These days it is difficult. So how to play the bean? This has been learned from their grandfather, grandparents. Now the government has made a law that no one catch the wild animals like tiger, tortoise and snakes and keep them. So government has made strict laws against them. If any person is involved in such type of activities, the permanent imprisonment may be there. Someone, some people kill the animals and sell their skins at high prices. They are known as hunter. So they made a law against this. Now with this law, how will we earn our livelihood? We people have never killed snakes and sold their skin, because in this occupation some other communities they are also involved. So that's why this is the complete they are blaming to the particular community Kalbelias, because they are the friend of snacks. Clear? People say that we keep the snacks in bad conditions. If we wanted, we too could have earned a lot of money by killing snakes, but we would never do that. Snakes are our treasure that we pass on from one generation to another. We even gift snacks to our daughter when they get married. In our Kalbelia dance we also have movements similar to the dance of the snacks. So this is the misconceptions in the society, that the Kalbelia people they kill the snacks, but in actually they don't like that, because they are the friends of the snacks, and they transfer the snacks from one generation to another generation, and they gift the snacks if any daughter is getting to married in their community. So this is about the special culture in their community. Aranath, you will have to make a different life for yourself. You have got your father's gift for of playing the bean. You and your cousins can form a bean party and entertain people. So this is the one of the occupation to earn money. But do not waste this knowledge about the snacks you have got from your elders. So you have to teach this how to play the beans to another members of your community, so it can be transferred from one generation to another generation. So some musical instruments are given in the chapter. What are they? Bean, tumba, kanjari, and dhol. Except dhol, all the other three instruments are made from dryad god Loki. So in the manufacturing of these instruments, the vegetable part Loki is involved. So that's why this is very useful for them. Share your knowledge about snacks with children who live in towns and cities. Tell them that they should not be scared of snakes. Help them to recognize poisonous snakes. Tell them how snakes are friend of them farmers. They eat the rats in the fields, otherwise rats would eat the crop. So the rat will be the food for the snakes. And these people, they are required to they are required to share their knowledge to the people who are scaring from the snacks, and especially in towns and cities, because these people are not too much habitual with the interaction of the snacks. So when they see first time, they feel they feel uncomfortable and they are scared completely. So they share their knowledge to their people. So that's why they are not required to do kill the snacks when they are approaching to them. Clear? Now you tell your story. Also make a new story of your life to tell your grandchildren. So if any type of incident regarding the snack you had in the past, so you can tell to your children, you can tell to your friends also. Have you ever seen animals being used for entertainment of people, for example in a circus, on the road, or in a park? So many times we might have seen in the circus on the road the another animals which are involved in circus, like lion, tiger, monkey, bear. So these are the animals which are also used for the entertainment of the people in circus and the road to create a show. So in the against these shows they create the money and they earn their livelihood. When and where did you see this? So many times we have seen in the society, in the particular area, in our country. And this is about the special community Kalbelias, because they migrate because they don't have proper house, so that's why they migrate from one place to another place to show this art to people, and they earn money against it. Which animal show did you see? So many times we have seen in the circus the lion, the monkey, and the bear. They are being used for the entertainment of the people. So generally, these animals are entertaining the people by making the show. How did people behave with the animals in the show? So they are very familiar with the human beings. How did people behave with the animals in the show? So they are very familiar because they are uh, taught by the people how they behave, how they sit, how to stand. So that's why this is we can call the semi human beings. Was anyone teasing the animals? How? If was anyone teasing the animals? How? If many persons they are trying to tease the animals in against, the animal can attack on them. So some in many time the cases which happen, that the snake bite is there, the attack of the lion, the attack of the bear might have seen. Clear? So we should not tease the animals because this is very bad situation for them. What kind of questions came to your mind after seeing that animal show? What kind of questions came to your mind after seeing that animal show? So we can see if a person caught the animals for to create the show and to depict the show to the people. So because this is about the freedom. Freedom is very important for all of us, including animals. Everybody wants to live in freedom. If we talk about these animals, they are not feeling such type of freedom because they are in foundation and nobody can live in foundation. So sometimes we feel very bad for these animals if they are in foundation. So we should think about those animals. Sometimes we have to release them from the cage, and that's why they can feel the freedom like us. Imagine that you are an animal in a cage. Think how you would feel. Complete the following sentences. So we feel very bad. So you can write the answer of these questions in your own words. Next, do you know an information which is given of the many kinds of the snakes found in country? Only four types of snakes are poisonous. They are cobra, common curret, Russell vipers, duboia, saw-scaled viper, afai. A snake has two hollow teeth fangs. When it bites, the poison enters the person's body through the fangs. There is a medicine for snakes bites. The medicine is made from the snake's poison and is available in government, all government hospitals. So in this paragraph, you have seen the different types of snacks which are poisonous and the medicine which is being prepared from their poison, and this is also available in all government hospitals in each state. So this is very good for the people those who have been injured by the attack of snakes. Clear? Like snake charmers, which other people depend on animals for their livelihood. When we talk about the farmers, poultry poultry business, they are completely depend on hens, cows, and buffaloes because they give milk to them, they give egg to them, and these eggs and milks are being sold in the market, and against it they are earning money. So they are completely depend for their livelihood on them. Survey people who keep animals. Talk to some people in your neighborhood who keep one or more animals for their livelihood. For example, a horse for a tonga, hens for eggs, etc. Name the animal they keep. How many animals are there? Is there a separate place for the animals? So you can write the answer. You can make your own report by taking these questions. If any type of person, any person which is involved in such type of occupation, including animals. So we have discussed the different varieties of the snacks. Next, who looks after them? Uh, what do the animals eat? Do the animals ever fall ill? What does the keeper do then? Make some more questions and discuss. Make a report on your project and read it out in the class. So if any type of occupation you might see in your area, any person which is involved in the occupation with the animals, you can make your own report at your own level, and this can be shared with the classmates. So now an activity which is given, make a snack puppet. So it can be made by you. Take an old pair of socks, put one on your arm, stick buttons or bindis for the eyes, cut out a long red strip of paper for using as a tongue, and stick it in the place as shown. On the other side of the paper, make V-shaped cut. Your snack is ready. So this activity can be done by you at your own level. So this is just for fun. Try once. What we have learned in this chapter, the government has made a law that no one can catch and keep snacks. What do you think about this law? Give reasons for your answer and write in your own words. Because if anybody is trying to catch the snacks, so one day these snacks will be lost from the earth. So due to this is very crucial problem for the animals, though this is about their complete freedom. So nobody can harm the animals, so that's why the strict laws have been made. So we should follow the strict laws. If any person which is involved in such type of activities, we should inform the concerned authority. Clear? So in this chapter we have discussed about the particular community that is known as Kalbilias, and these people are known as friends of snacks, and they rear the snakes, and they prepare the medicine from the snakes poison, and they give to the hospitals and to the doctors, and they are very helpful to the society. So we should respect to such type of community, that is Calvilia. I hope you all have understood the explanation portion of this chapter. If you are facing any problem in any topic, please watch the video again and put your queries on my personal WhatsApp. Clear? So keep on studying. Have a nice day.